and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you my Ikea shop and haul. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you my Ikea shop and haul. So recently I've been having a think about rearranging some of the rooms in our house and also the airing cupboard as well, and I needed some storage, so I decided to go to Ikea and have a little look. And I love looking at the room layouts when I go in there, and I also love making videos out of their room layouts. So in this video I'm going to share with you my finds in Ikea and my shop as well. So here is my Ikea shop and haul. When I went to Ikea, so there's some lovely new room inspiration there. So if you're thinking of redecorating like we will hopefully be soon, then Ikea is a good place to go. This isn't an advert for them, but I just love their room layouts, especially when they've got new stock in as well. So I thought I'd just share with you what I brought. So the first thing I brought are these file dividers. So my son Ted, he's 8, and we started buying him the Beano. The Beano is a comic that you can get in the UK. I'm not sure if you can get it anywhere else in the world, but I know you can get it in the UK. And we bought him a yearly subscription to the Beano, so he gets a new Beano every week. We thought it was a good way to try and encourage him to read more. Not that he doesn't read, he is a good reader, but it's always good to read something fun that you enjoy reading. So yes, we bought him, I think it's about a 3-month subscription to the Beano, and he really wants to keep them. At the moment they're stored in a cardboard box in his wardrobe, but Howard suggested buying some file dividers, and I found these in Ikea, and these were £5, so we thought that that was a bit of a bargain. I think in WH Smith's or Wilkinson's they were £6, but obviously you're paying an extra £1 for them to be put together. So yes, we've saved ourselves £1 and we're going to make them ourselves. So we're going to put his Beanos in this, and then I also brought some new glass jars for my pantry downstairs. I'm planning to use these in the pantry. I just did a reorganisation with a label maker, so I've made labels for all of my glass jars in my pantry. I'm really pleased, it looks really neat and tidy in there at the moment, and fingers crossed it will stay like that as well, hopefully. But yes, I realised while I was filling up glass jars I actually needed a couple more, so I bought 2 of these. I think these were £3.50 each, but don't quote me on that because I'm not sure. And then I also brought some new white plates. So I write a blog, a food blog, and a lot of people, well a couple of people, not a lot, have come to me and said that my green plates make my food disappear. So if I put salad on a green plate, it kind of blends in with the green. So they have suggested that I buy white plates, and I found these in Ikea, and I found them in the clearance section. I think it's called the Circular Hub in the one that we go to in Lakeside, and they weren't too expensive, these plates either. This one was £1.40 and this one was £1.50, so I thought that was alright. £3. I normally use a small plate for things like biscuits or desserts, and then I use obviously a bigger plate for dinners and things, so I thought they were really nice and not too expensive either. And then downstairs we actually have a fireplace, and we have just brought a fire for that fireplace, an electric fire, and it looks really nice. So I have a blankets basket that I was keeping in our back room, and I thought I'm going to take that out and put it on the fireplace. So I put it on one side of the fireplace, and I thought that looks really nice, but then the other side looks a bit empty. So I decided to buy one of these candlestick holders for the other side of the fireplace. This was, I think this was £10, so I don't think it was too expensive. And my basket for the blankets is grey as well, so this, I thought this would go nicely with it, and I'm going to sit this on the other side, and I've got some candles downstairs and I'm going to put those in. So yeah, I really like this candlestick holder. It wasn't very expensive either. And then for the fireplace as well, oh, I thought I had 2 of these. I've lost the other one already. Oh no. I bought these little birds. Now, for those of you that have watched my videos in the past, we actually have a bird feeder in the back garden. My husband and son bought it to feed the birds, obviously. They love the birds, so I bought them 1 each of these. And these are just stone birds. These were £3.50 each. I didn't think that was too bad. They are quite weighty as well, so they could be used as a paperweight if you wanted to. And yeah, I just thought they'd look really nice on our mantelpiece by our fireplace. So I bought 1 each, and I'm going to put 1 either side of a photograph on our mantelpiece. So yes, they were £3.50. So I also brought some wooden spoons as well, because I brought a big wooden spoon from Ikea, and it's a really good wooden spoon. You do have to wash these up though, so they can't go in the dishwasher, but they're just really handy to have. And these were £1, so I thought that's not too bad. Some of our wooden spoons are bamboo wooden spoons, and they are starting to look a bit worse for wear. So I thought I'd treat myself to a couple of new wooden spoons, and £1 each I thought was quite a bargain really. And then In this corner here, I'm going to put some more toy boxes, and I brought these wooden boxes to put some of Ted's cuddlies in. Ted's cuddlies seem to be multiplying in this room. They seem to be growing. I think they're starting a rather large family in this room. So I have to buy some more boxes, and I'm actually going to put them in that corner. I don't know if these boxes are going to be very big, however. I think they're actually going to be quite small, and I didn't realise when I bought them. So yeah, we'll see if that works out or not. But yes, I'm going to put those together this weekend, and hopefully Ted will have a little bit more storage space under his bed then. So yes, oh, and finally, and not very exciting, I bought 2 of those wooden boxes, by the way. I'm not sure how much they cost either. I think they were probably £5 each, the grey wooden boxes. So yes, I bought those. I'll just put that behind me. And then finally, I just bought myself a big plastic storage box because we're going to be clearing out some toys from the spare room. And my husband wants to put a stereo in there for his new guitar that he's bought. So yes, I bought a plastic box to put the toys in to go into the loft. So that was everything I bought from Ikea. Actually, I tell a lie, I also brought some of these boxes. I brought 2 of these boxes. These are soft cloth boxes, and I'm going to be using these in the airing cupboard to store some of our towels and our sheets in as well. So we have a shelf at the top of our airing cupboard that I thought these boxes would come in handy for the sheets and the towels to go up there. So yes, that is definitely everything I've brought from Ikea. That's everything I brought from Ikea, and that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.